Sportswear is gearing up to launch the Air Max 90 in a fresh pink glow makeover, combining heritage with modern flair. Built on a white, black, and wolf gray base, the design recalls the classic infrared colorway that made the silhouette iconic. What sets this pair apart are the bold pink glow accents, seen on the TPU details, Air Max underlays, and cassette around the visible air bubble. This infusion of vibrant tones adds a fashionable, energetic twist to Tinker Hatfield's timeless creation, reaffirming its place as a go-to sneaker for both style and comfort. The release highlights Nike's knack for blending nostalgia with trend-forward updates, appealing to collectors and casual wearers alike. Official photos showcase its striking appeal, and sneaker fans can expect the pair to drop soon on Nike.com for $145.